Let's walk you through the setup process for your new espresso machine. After unboxing your espresso machine, you will find these accessories inside the box. Let's start the cleaning cycle. First, take out the drip tray. Rinse the accessories and drip tray, then let them air dry completely before reassembling. Insert the drip tray back into place. Fill the water tank with clean water, ensuring it doesn't exceed the max line. Place a container under the group head and steam wand. Press the power button to turn on the machine. The indicator will flash while heating up. Once it stops flashing and stays lit, the machine is ready. Turn the dial to the double cup position. And water will flow from the group head. When the water flow stops, turn the dial back to standby position. And turn the dial to steam position. Wait for the machine to heat up. Allow steam to flow for about 20 seconds. Once done, turn the dial back to standby position. We recommend running this cleaning process at least twice. Finally, wipe the exterior with a damp cloth. Now your machine is ready to brew delicious espresso. Enjoy!